What's up with it, family? It's your boy, that boy can cook, in the place, in your face. And today I'm making some pizza dough. I got some pizza dough I need to make for some upcoming recipes. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. So I just thought, hey, why not let my fam make some pizza dough with me today? So let's just make us some homemade pizza dough, baby. Let's hit this out. Very quick, very simple. Let's get it, y'all. Yeah. Using 3/4 cups of warm water. Get us some sugar in there. Get us 1 package of active dry yeast. Let's get that in there. Get us a teaspoon of olive oil. We're just gonna mix it up. Make sure we get the sugar dissolved. Make sure the yeast is broken up. And we're just gonna continue to stir, get everything dissolved. And we're just gonna let it sit. Once we got everything, we're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes. All right. Now in the mixing bowl, get your dough hook, dump your flour and your salt in there. There we go. Get you some salt. I said salt, but there it is. And we're just gonna mix the salt and the flour together. Now let's add our yeast mix, water, yeast, sugar, and oil. That's our yeast mix. So let's get that in there, and we're just gonna mix it till everything starts to come together. If you need to add a little bit more water, I say use a teaspoon, tablespoon at a time. If you gotta mix it like mine, you probably have to push it down. As you can see here, I don't have a KitchenAid. I got a little off-brand mixer, but it works for me, y'all. It works. So get everything pushed down, and we're gonna continue to mix it up. And you want everything to come together in a big dough ball. Nothing sticking on the side of the bowl. As you can see, everything is starting to come together. Looking lovely, baby. Just like that right there. That's what you want right there. That's what you're looking for. Now let's get it up, and it should pull right off of the hook. Just like that. Might be a little sticky, but as long as it come off the hook, just like that, you're ready to go. Let's get it out of there. And there's our dough right there. All right, so let's flour us the surface. Lightly flour, don't have to be a lot. And we're just gonna roll and knead our dough just for a little bit because the mixer already have kneaded it. So now, put some of that flour to the side. I put a little bit too much. So we're just gonna pull, we're gonna stretch it, just gonna knead it. There we go. Now we're gonna form it into a ball. As you can see here, get everything formed up, just like that. Pull it, stretch it. There we go. Alrighty. Now let's go ahead and make our dough ball. So let's go ahead and just, as you see here, just like I'm doing it, this is how we're gonna make our dough ball. We're gonna get us a bowl. We're gonna grease the bowl. We're gonna put our dough ball in there. We're gonna cover it up, and we're just gonna let it rest and let it rise. The dough is working, y'all. Let's get it. All right, as I said, there's our bowl with our olive oil in it. Make sure you get your olive oil all around the bowl, because that dough gonna rise, baby. Drop your dough in there. You're gonna cover it up for about an hour. There we go. Let's cover it up. I'm moving a little bit too fast, y'all. Forgive me. So we got it covered up. There we go. We're gonna leave it covered up for about an hour. Bam. As you can see, it has risen. Our dough has risen. But remember, we oiled it, so let's lightly season the surface. Boop. Drop our dough out of there. Clean, baby. There we go. And we're just gonna knead it a little bit. And I'm cutting it in half. I'm not using the whole thing. There we go. Yeah. So you can do just like you did before. One of them, you can make a ball. Just like that. So now you have your 2 piece of dough balls, baby. You can do what you want to with it. Make some garlic bread, make your pizza, or whatever you want. So come on back. See what I do with these pizza doughs, baby. I'm wrapping them up, getting them ready. But there you have it. Homemade pizza dough. All right, family. Got that pizza dough done. Got that piece of dough done, baby. All right, make sure you come back the rest of this week. You're going to see what I do with these pizza doughs. It's two of them right here. So one of them, you know it's going to be a pizza because it's pizza. But you got to stay tuned for the other one. You got to stay tuned for the other one. Anyway, if you like this video, if you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, leave me a comment at the bottom. Share it with your people. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know what we're doing when we're doing it. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time. I'm gone. Yeah.